Hello guys, so currently as you can see on my screen here, I am mining free BNB coin into my wallet for free. So with this one, you don't have to actually invest any amount of money here. Moreover, you don't also have to make any deposit on this particular platform here. And as you can see, my figures are not moving, but let me refresh my page here. And then we can see that there have been a little addition in my BNB as I am mining here. This is how it works, okay? So I'll show you everything you have to know on this page in order for you to also start making your mining as possible as you can. If today happens to be your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me your comment in the comment section as well. Alright, so let me log out and take you through how you can go by this website. Actually, this is the overview of the website. Wherever you just enter the website, this is the overview of the website. This is how the website actually looks like. Alright, so I'll be showing everything here. So as soon as we get here, just click on the get started. The get started is going to give you a very pop-up menu which will also tell you to provide your BNB smart chain address, alright, and you also create a password for yourself. So in the simplest way, I would like to visit the Faucet Pay account. If you don't have a Faucet Pay account, it's a micro wallet which also help individuals to also gather some little cryptocurrencies there in order for you to just transfer it from there to either Trust Wallet or Coinbase. Alright, so this is the easiest way you can start gathering your coins on any other media. Alright, good. So this is my Faucet Pay account currently, as you can see here. As soon as you enter your Faucet Pay account, move to the wallet. Alright, scroll down because we are interested for BNB. So I've been able to estimate some little free BNB in my wallet here. All you have to do here is just click on this deposit here, and then there will be a link which is going to be generated for you out here. Alright, so this is the link as you can see here. Alright, just copy the link and go back to the website. Click on the get started again and just copy your link or copy the address into this session. But mind you, the link to this particular website can be found under the description of this video. In addition, the link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp can be also found under the description of this particular video out here. Alright, so just paste everything here. I already have an account. I'll go in and log in into the website. But mind you, as being your first time logging into this particular website, they will ask you to just provide an email which will help you to make verification for yourself. Because I've already logged in already, so I'm not going to get into that aspect of the video. But as you are starting everything as a beginner in entering this particular website, they are going to ask you for an email. Please kindly provide a valid email, of which there will be a code which will be sent to that particular email. Go to the email, verify yourself, and start mining. Alright, so that will give you the opportunity to start mining on this particular website. But please mind you, I'm no way a financial advisor. I'm just guiding you and taking you through how you can also start making money online. So currently this is my balance here, and as I refresh the page, you can see it has actually changed out here. Alright, so let's scroll down here. You can see my status here is active, and this is the time left. That's 1,824 days left for me to mine free BNB on this particular website. I have some 17 hours and 11 minutes in addition, so I have a whole lot of days to mine this particular BNB into my wallet. So each and every day I'm to receive 0.000014 BNB into my account, as you can see here. Alright, so this is the speed at which my balance here is running. That's the 1 hash power. Alright, that's the 1 hash power, as you can see out there. Alright, good. So as we are continuing, let's go down here. Here are some of the mining plans. As we can see here, we have a lot of them. We have the mini, the huge, the mega. All right, so you can go in for any of the plan here. So this is how the plan actually works. We are going to buy a power, and that power is going to help increase the speed at which your BNB runs. And of course, each and every day we are to receive 0.25 BNB per day. All right, so this is actually going to work for you on just 2 days, and then your total profit is going to be 0.05 at the end of the 2 days. So you can scroll down here to choose any plan of it for you. All right, I'm not a financial advisor, please. I'm just guiding you and taking you through how you can start making money online. So let's visit the most interested part, which is the withdrawal aspect. Most investors really want to hear about it. So let's click on the withdrawal aspect. So as soon as you click on the withdrawal aspect, this is the overview of the withdrawal. It says that request, withdraw, and then this is my current balance here. The minimum withdrawal on this particular website is 0.0500 BNB, as you can see there, and the maximum is the 100.0 BNB. So you can start mining your free BNB and start cashing it out into your faucet pay account with ease. So this is the simplest way you can start making money on the internet. All right, so as soon as you are just getting to the minimum withdrawal, just click on the confirm withdrawal, and everything will be transferred into your faucet pay account since you just use that one for the login. All right, good. So you can visit the affiliate programs too out there. You can click on the account so that you can see your informations. All right, so this is my information, that's my email out there. So those are my informations, and then you can also share or refer others to this particular website. Of course, it's going to also help you gain something out from this website. So this is the simplest way you can start making money or earning free BNB without making any deposits, without making any investment. I hope you found this particular video interesting. If you did, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, give me your comments in the comment section, and I hope to see you in my next video.